Man, what a different type of car. I've seen this before, but the coloring is nice. Time. Well, it's time to get on out of here and get on going. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. It's time to get going. Did I say going before? Caught stilling? Yeah. Want to be on a film shoot? Come on by. I sometimes come down a different way over here by the shore, and we seen that no parking was put up for the area and didn't know what it was, so I rode by, able to read the sign, caught stealing. I gotta look that bad boy up and see what type of movie it's going to be. Well, there is a movie called Caught Stealing, and Alec Baldwin and Patrick Wilson, about the baseball player Hank Thompson, as you can see there. Movie shot in my area, Shaft, We Own the Night, Two Lovers, Anything Else, New Amsterdam, Cyberlink, Little Odessa, Looking for an Echo, Night of the Peeper, lots of Ben-Hur, wow, and more. Yeah, it's a movie called Caught Stealing, being filmed in September over here. Oh yeah, man, I get to go sit there and meet my famous movie stars and all that good stuff. I got a lot to talk about. I gotta go get going. I'm a movie star myself. Didn't you know that? Hey, come on down. We could go get in the picture. Oh, what's that down there? Somebody brought a pier by the water. Let's take a walk over there. See what it looks like, man. Look at that pier. Oh, man, we could go swimming. The Creep Show, you remember that? The Blob. Oh, yeah. As far as I want to go here. Heck, I even got a pair of sandals for you. Now you're gonna go to the I'm Fish, and I'll see you on many other videos to come.